This is my Ford Bronco stock. I've done a lot of work with it since I got it. I bought a donor truck and upgraded the drivetrain to one from an F-250. I rolled out the old suspension. I modified the front of the Bronco to accommodate the front leaf springs. I added a lift and a TTB leveling kit to make the front axle sit straight. The front drive shaft bolted right in, and I got a new 1-ton drive shaft made for the shortened rear. I got new wheels and tires for the lift. I chose to put on 35 by 12 by 20s. I changed out the tailgate, rear and front quarter panels, and then I had it wrapped with a 3M matte black finish. I love it. It's going to be on to the motor next.